So I just went to HomeGoods, so I thought I would sit down and do a haul for you, my first haul here. Let's start off with this item because it's taking up a lot of space. With this apartment in Memphis, I didn't decorate or try to personalize a lot of my things, but this time around, I want to make sure everything is cute and what I'm going for. So I bought these glasses. I thought they would be adult cute, and really this palm tree really sold it for me. So yeah, I just oh no, let's assume that's dirt and we just keep it pushing. We also have a kitchen knife. I hope this brand works. I feel like this is the brand I had prior. But these, kitchen knives are very essential, and it was only $3.99, so I was might as well. The next item, oh, I got it on sale. I told myself I wouldn't buy this until I get my dresser, but I was like, what if they're all sold out by the time I get my dresser next week? So I decided to get this for my jewelry. I'm very visual. If I can't see something, it's it's not there, which is sad. So I decided to get this clear case, and these can run you up to $30. It was originally $16.99 and I got it for $13.99. One of my best friends and I have this same one, so that's cool. So this will be essential. It'll go right on my dresser. Okay, I'll just go in order of the bags because they're all over the place. So I decided to get new pots because once you scratch your pot, especially with the carcinogens, I think that's what it is, whatever, but basically the chemicals of the pot go into your food, so we don't want that. And my pots are very old and they're Walmart pots. So I decided to go to TJ Maxx to get mine just because I know I can get pretty good quality pots, pretty cute ones for cheaper than if I went somewhere else. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. It's like a beige and white speckled with some black in there. And this is just a good heavy duty pot. Next, I got a matching big pot. I made sure that the lid of the pot can go on the lid of that pan that I just showed you. I thought, I might have to cover something in that pot, and why buy two items when I could just buy one and reuse the lid? Since we're talking about pots, clearly I had to buy more. Next is the same pattern in a smaller pot, good for cooking a small bit of rice or vegetables or whatever you need to cook in a small pot. This is a small, and I consider the other one a large. I wish they had a medium size, but I think it'll do. And it's just so cute. This is from the brand Masterclass Premium Cookware. I wanted to get a stoneware pots, but you know what? It didn't matter. This was a good purchase in my opinion. Wait, can you guys even believe that I literally spent, I think I spent $400 today because I bought groceries as well, which I already put some away, so I don't think you guys want a haul, but groceries, stuff for my kitchen, and I ate with my best friend. She came over and helped me put up my couch. But it makes sense, it's a new apartment. I don't even want it, guys, it's so messy in here. But anyway, so then I bought a smaller version of the big pot. Sadly, the lid doesn't fit. This is the other size pot I wanted. I think I would have gotten a medium size instead of the small one, but they work for now. And so this one has the little drainy things on each side. And yeah, so I basically bought the whole collection. They had a smaller pan, but every time I buy that small pan, it's great for eggs, but then you want to toast your bread and it's too small. You have to toast one bread at a time. So, we'll just go with the bigger one. Then I bought strainers. I was really torn because there was a bigger version, a huge version. And I'm like, it would be convenient, but would I use it? I don't know. So I figured if I had to strain huge stuff, I could just use all three, right? And I definitely wanted a strainer that could sit, right? And this was only $7 at HomeGoods. This is the HomeGoods and TJ Maxx haul, basically. So because I didn't want to ruin my new pots that I just got, I bought plastic cooking stuff. So I have like 3 spoons, 2 spatulas, and a pair of tongs that are plastic. And then bathroom organization. So I bought this set of 2 baskets for my bathroom. The 2 sets were $10. So I think that's a good price, 5 for each. We will be organizing my bathroom shortly. I definitely want to get the kitchen done first, just because I want to put my food away, and then definitely the bathroom next. I think those are my top 2 priorities. And last but not least, probably one of the most expensive items from this little mini haul, I bought this huge organization, like makeup organizer. And although I don't have that much makeup, I figured that I could use some of the space for skincare. So I think this would definitely come in handy. So guys, I'm going to try to record as much as possible my kitchen stuff, but just to let you know, if you don't have a vlogging camera like the Canon G7X, it has a faulty thing where the screw gets loose, and usually I catch it when it's loose and I can like fix it before I lose the screw. This time, however, I guess I didn't notice before my move and I lost one of the screws, so the screen was trying to fall off and I need to order some salad. That's why the vlogs might be a little weird, but now let's go organize my kitchen. Okay, I almost didn't do my freaking kitchen tonight because I am tired, but I'm going to push through it. We're going to do a montage. I'm going to put these shelf liners in my drawers and stuff so I can put down all of my pots. So cue the montage while I listen to a podcast.
With you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you.
So I'm done with the kitchen for today. I still need to clean all of these pots, the new things I bought, and then all my old stuff. But this is pretty good, and I cleaned up a lot of stuff around the apartment. I think right now I just want to organize my shoes. I kind of want to organize the living area because the internet guy is coming tomorrow, so.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.